Activate the firmware on a subordinate fabric interconnect. This video demonstrates how to activate the firmware on a subordinate fabric interconnect. In the navigation pane, click the Equipment tab and then click the Equipment node. In the Work pane, click the Firmware Management tab. On the Installed Firmware tab, click Activate Firmware. Cisco UCS Manager GUI opens the Activate Firmware dialog box and verifies the firmware versions for all endpoints in the Cisco UCS domain. From the Filter drop-down list on the menu bar, choose Fabric Interconnects. In the Activate Firmware dialog box for the subordinate fabric interconnect, in the kernel row, choose the firmware version to which you want to upgrade from the drop-down list in the Startup Version column. In the System row, choose the firmware version to which you want to upgrade from the drop-down list in the Startup Version column. Click Apply. Cisco UCS Manager updates and activates the firmware and reboots the Fabric Interconnect, disrupting data traffic to and from that Fabric Interconnect. However, if the Cisco UCS domain is configured to permit traffic and port failover, data traffic fails over to the primary Fabric Interconnect and is not disrupted. Click Yes, Yes, and OK. In the navigation pane, click the Equipment tab and then expand Equipment, Fabric Interconnects, Subordinate Fabric Interconnect. Verify the high availability status of the Subordinate Fabric Interconnect. The Ready field must display Yes, the State field must display Up, and the Leadership field must display Subordinate.